Hi guys, in this video, we're going to see if plus if error combo. I have sample dump, which is sales amount in the B column. Then I'm going to write the formula in C column. So basically what I'm going to do here is whoever has done the sale, so I'm going to give 10% incentive to them. You can say 10% bonus, share, you can say. So I'm going to select the formula if this sales is a 0, that means if the person has not done any sales, it should say no incentive. Else, it should give a 10% incentive or profit from the sales. If I hit enter, it is suggesting me to autofill the formula. I'm going to click on OK. Now you can see for 0 sales, there will be no incentive or no bonus. And then for 5,000, I'm going to give 500. For 8,000, I'm going to give 800. Here, I'm getting a error message saying that NA, I do not want any error messages, so I'm going to remove all the error messages. So to do that, I'm going to add if error formula before if function. And in the end, I'm going to write what kind of error message should it reflect. So I will say missing data. That means wherever it is reflecting as NA, that means the data is missing here. So that is the reason I'm not able to get the data. So missing data. Now, if you drag the formula once again, so whenever NA was visible, it should say the missing data. So this is how you can work around with if error. If you want to add any other error message, simple blank space also you can add. So it totally depends on you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.